Hi, welcome to Cabochon for Sale. Today we are exploring valuable gemstones, from classic precious stones to rare natural beauties. Precious gemstones. Diamond, most famous and valuable gemstone, known for brilliance and hardness. Ruby, deep red color, very high value. Burmese rubies are rare. Sapphire, popular blue stone. Many colors exist. Emerald rich. Green beauty, natural inclusions, increase uniqueness. But valuable gemstones don't stop here. Popular valuable gemstones. Opal, play of color. Tourmaline, many rare colors. Tanzanite, limited source, aquamarine. Clear ocean blue garnet. Deep rich tones. Value depends on color, clarity, rarity, and demand. Unique collector stones. Labradorite, magical flash moonstone. Glowing effect. Sunstone, sparkling Schiller Charlotte. Rare purple patterns. Larimar, Caribbean blue line. These stones may be affordable, but collectors truly love them. Remember, the true value of a gemstone depends on rarity, natural quality cut, and polish market demand. Which gemstone is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. If you love gemstones, jewelry, or collecting, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit cabochonsforsale.com to see more beautiful gemstones.